this video, we are currently on our way to pick up a part for Joshua's car. It's a town near us because we were having nice spirited driving on Saturday afternoon when his car started steaming and smoking and who knows what else. And we had to pull over and it turns out that one of the hoses has broken. Coolant expansion hose blew, causing steam to be billowing up through the engines, telling me that, and I also got error messages saying that my engine temperature was too high and all sorts of kerfuffle. Despite all this, I think we can fix it on the side of the road. So currently his car is pulled off in a safe spot about 30 minutes away, and we're gonna go grab the coolant and we'll take you along the steps to fix this coolant hose. My name is Ethan, this is my brother Joshua, and welcome to Car Creations. Joshua's car's seen better days.
Yeah, on probably the first spirited drive of the season, and well, this is the expansion hose. When it gets too hot, the coolant begins to expand, and well, this is a very brittle piece. I knew it was going to happen because on the Facebook forums they all say it's going to happen, but well, eventually happened. I actually already have the part at home, so look, it's crying.
Yeah, it's all splattered all over the place. Look at that.
I just cleaned the engine bay too. Like, just cleaned it like a couple hours ago.
Well, there you go. My car's fine.
Leaving the car right here for a little while while we go grab the hose from home. It's only like a 5-minute drive. I need to get some more coolant though. I don't think any stores are open that have coolant. That one? This is beautiful. I love that color.
Yeah, it's because of the color.
And I'm sorry we couldn't actually park beside it because, well, there's a sign beside it saying that it's only for people that are picking stuff up. Anyways,
Fake news.
coolant. Let's go.
Find it?
Universal coolant. No, I don't want universal coolant. So, they don't have the coolant here. I mean, Walmart's not the first choice that anybody would pick for coolant, but they're the only place that's open right now.
So we have to think.
We have to think. Okay, so we didn't find any coolant at Walmart. However, we contacted our folks at the farm and they have some there. So we got some distilled water to mix with the concentrate and we should be good. However, the only problem is that the sun is going down, so we are kind of racing against time. So hopefully we can do it before it gets dark. We shall see. Water is only $1.87. Well, ended up doing $2.04 with tax. So Vernon's car culture consists of a Hyundai Genesis, a Civic, I think it was a Subaru STI, and a Mustang was parked across the road from them. And of course Ethan, having fun with his exhaust, drives away, all the pops and bangs going like crazy, and they're all like, whoa! So we drove from Armstrong to Enderby on our fun drive, and then Enderby is where the car kind of had its little mishap there. So then we drove all the way to Vernon to check for coolant. They didn't have coolant, but we got our distilled water there. And now we're gonna drive all the way to my parents' place where I have some Euro coolant. Oh, that sounds amazing. Perfect. Drive-through. Drive-through coolant. Oh, I have to get up. Thank you very much, Matthias. Well, for now. See ya. That's the man with the plan. Okay, on to fix the car. Let's go. Flying around the back. Alright, so we're here at the gas station. Let's hope his car is still there. Hasn't been stolen. It's a little bit of a sketchy town if we're honest. And then, yeah, I guess we have to try to fix this thing. I guess we're going to turn there. Turn to the next one. Oh, okay, the car's still there. Well, that's good. But, let's make sure no windows are broken. And let's hope we can get this thing done, eh? Ready for a gas station fix? Yeah. Never thought I'd have to do this. Guess when you own a car, anything can happen though, right?
They look good under this light though, look at that.
Oh, look at this garbage. There's
Okay, let's do this before it gets dark.
coolant everywhere.
Oh yeah. Man, it changes white, eh?
Yeah, wow, I guess when I just literally this afternoon cleaned my engine bay. Now this happens. there's a little clip in here I think I have to remove. I just don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna hold my other hand here. So this just pops off, I believe. I stick it down the screwdriver underneath it and it just slides right off. Just like that.
Nice.
So you just have to grab it and pop it off because there's a little seal in there. And yeah, see this is the part that broke. It just should be sitting like that and snap, just like that.
Oh, so the neck broke.
Snapped at the neck. And then, same thing over here. Just undoing some clips going around.
And then this piece here.
I'm guessing it's the same way, yeah, okay. Just like that. Just pulls off, you have to wiggle a little with the screwdriver, and then just pop right off, like that.
Nice. That's easy. Pulls right out.
Here it is, here's the old one. Time for the new one. Let's hope it's the same. Let's hope they gave me the right one.
Well, different shape, so hopefully you can bend it.
Well, the main curves are there. It's just been curled up to put in a bag. It'll be fine.
You just noticed there's a abandoned go-kart track right there, so what I'll be doing afterwards. What if I could take my car in there? It's wide enough. Your car probably couldn't fit very easily, but mine would be fine.
Yeah, whatever. How much fun would that be, too? Just gotta slide this underneath here. First. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this. That works.
That lifts right up.
There. Just have to kind of lift it up there. You can see there's a little. Don't want to lose it inside your engine bay. So it came off like this. Put it back on like that too. So just slide it on like so. And then it just pops in there. Just like that. And she's on there. Nice. Just go back around. A little clip of root skis. All the way around. Same thing with this one now. Now the first one, it goes in, the clip goes in from the top. And the second side, the clip goes in from the side. So, might be interesting getting it in there. Oh, clip, clip, clip. Those are the sounds you like to hear, not clink, 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 because it falls down into the engine bay. And that
so
should
did we
be
fix it in that amount of time?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not blowing up yet. Oh, nice.
Yay.
Look at that. I like it when things don't blow up.
Distilled water. Probably don't want to be putting any other kind of water inside your coolant unless it's a crazy emergency. Otherwise, little bits in the water can get into your engine. And we have the Euro coolant. I've had this for a little while, like a year.
Nice. Hopefully it doesn't go off.
I don't think it should. We did get it from the drugstore section of Walmart, so I'm sure you can drink it too.
Mosquitoes are eating me while I'm trying to film. This
Good.
is an important part. Took us
how full
2 hours to get this half. How full? You have still a little bit to go.
I might spill some everywhere.
You're managing. Good for you.
Can you check me the level on the side, see how much I have? There. And that's that.
I mean, the thing that took the longest was getting all the stuff together.
There we are. Coolant expansion hose changed. In case you're wondering what that is, when coolant gets hot, it expands. And because you don't want anything exploding and building up pressure, it has an expansion hose that routes it back around into the reservoir to allow the pressure to escape. And when it was getting super hot when I was having fun driving, but we're all good.
Yay! All right, job well done. And we can head home.
Well, that has been an awful lot of fun. Hopefully you enjoyed. It's a little bit different than we normally do. Should we leave everything last minute till it breaks and then show you how we
fix it?
Fix it on the road.
Gas station in Enderby.
Yeah.
It's a cool looking gas station, let's be honest. Probably one of the most luxurious and amazing gas stations you'll ever see.
Yeah, so anyway, that's our video for today. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, we're happy to answer them in the comments below. But most of all, like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. Mosquitoes!
This is exciting content. This is why people subscribe to see you drinking.
What does it mean to distill water? Like, is this still water and then distilled water is like this?
No, it means that they set it outside for a bit, and if it's still water by the morning, then that's what they sell in the stores.
And they come on and said, hey, distill water.